Hello everyone, welcome to our quick overview of the DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer, a high-speed, professional DTF printing solution designed for small businesses and busy creative shops. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price. This DSV printer comes with a 2-year ink supply, which is an amazing feature for anyone looking to save time and money while keeping their workflow smooth. You'll receive 5 bottles of ink and 500 grams of DTF powder, replenished every 2 months, so you don't have to worry about frequent refills. The smart 4.5-inch touchscreen combined with the upgraded mainboard ensures an intuitive and stable printing experience. Even if you're just starting with DTF printing, navigating the controls is straightforward and efficient. The XP600 print head is the real powerhouse here. It allows you to complete an A3-sized print in just 6 minutes, producing up to 10 high-quality prints per hour. This speed, combined with the 2880 by 1440 Ultra HD resolution, guarantees crystal clear and vibrant prints every time. The automatic ink suction and white ink circulation systems also minimize clogs and interruptions, delivering consistent results with minimal hassle. Software has been newly upgraded for easy, virus-free operation, though it's Windows compatible only. The printer supports a wide range of fabrics, including cotton, polyester, leather, jeans, and even shoes, making it a versatile tool for almost any DTF business. The comprehensive package includes everything you need to get started, from the printer and oven to inks, powders, cleaning accessories, and detailed operation videos. While the printer is an investment at around $2,798, the speed, reliability, and included consumables make it a valuable addition for professionals. The DSV team also offers a 6-month warranty on the print head and a 1-year warranty on other accessories, with responsive customer support ready to help within 24 hours. For anyone serious about starting or upgrading their DTF business, this printer is designed to save time, reduce errors, and deliver professional quality results. Don't forget to check the link in the description below to grab this DSV A3 Plus XP600 DTF printer at the best price and elevate your printing game.